Oh, it's really big. Like, it's really big. You can't tell in videos how big these are.
No.
Like,
Oh my
I didn't
gosh.
realize the track is over your shoulder.
It's so
Like, that's really big.
That one from Colorado, wasn't it the same one? Well, I got a town you can destroy.
Wait, which one?
Wait, which? Wait, what town?
We'll never know.
Dude, it's just this.
Yeah, that's about it.
And the pedals, yeah. What's that for?
Guys have worn the brakes out in one day. If the drive is turning when you got the brake pulled all the way, it's wearing the brake out.
Right. Those 4 gears.
And you don't ever want to